the first thing I want to talk to you about is the big news of the day, which is, of course, the cabinet shakeup. And now I stalked your ex, and so I already know that you're pretty happy that E.S. Bersamin is out, because for one thing, you said that he was the one who granted the late Juan Ponce Enrile reprieve on humanitarian grounds, which does not exist in the law. But let me zero in on his performance as executive secretary. Did you think he did well?
Well, he did well in terms of protecting the president, in terms of implementing what the president wanted, no? For good or for bad. Of course, I don't know everything, no, na ginagawa ng isang executive secretary, but the public things that he has done, he is the one who has to push for the president's agenda. And that's why he was appointed as executive secretary, because he gets things done, and he was perceived as a loyalist, na pro-Marcos siya. Talagang he will do what it takes to implement whatever the president wants, for good or for bad.
Hindi naman kaya totoo itong mga ugong-ugong on social media, Jess, na baka ilipat lang si E.S. Bersamin sa ibang post. I saw some whispers, some posts na baka siya yung pumalit kay JPE.
Well, I hope not, no? Because that would be like Duterte. Si Duterte kasi, pag merong nasisante or may nag-resign, nare-recycle somewhere else. So if BBM wants to be different from his predecessor, he should not be recycling officials, especially if the basis for the resignation of the officials who resigned today, like Executive Secretary Bersamin, is because of delicadeza, na they were implicated in a corruption scandal. Why would they be recycled in a different position when that accusation or implication in a scandal is still there?
Well, to be fair, he has sort of, kind of, if to borrow your term, recycled, right? A few secretaries here and there.
Well, why would you recycle more? Doon tayo sa pangit na nga mag-recycle to begin with nung mga lumang Duterte appointees. Kasi unit team sila eh. So that's why he got some appointees from the past administration or retained them. Of course, madami din siyang hinarang. Si PBBM, not si E.S. Bersamin. That's why madaming mga pro-Duterte na anti-Marcos talaga ngayon, because they were not, hindi sila pinagbigyan. Let's be frank about it. Madami sa mga maingay ngayon ay hindi lang napagbigyan ni PBBM. May mga onting na-recycle, so he should not recycle more, especially doon sa sarili niyang administration. No? So si E.S. Bersamin kasi, we can see that he was a justice before. He was not really an appointee of Duterte in a strict sense, kasi independent dapat ang justice. So E.S. Bersamin is a Marcos appointee in a strict sense because political appointment yung pagiging executive secretary. So PBBM should not recycle his own appointees if the basis for the removal or resignation or the graceful exit is still there.